Hello guys, this is Viral Hunter. I hope you are ready to jump into the internet together. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and comment. This storm was way too close. Look at the horror at this guy's face. There may be, just maybe slight difference.
Hola, soy Dora. Can you say puedes hacerme un sandwich? That means can you make me a sandwich in Spanish?
I definitely didn't see that coming. Not gonna lie, she was slightly annoying. You're right, it worked. See how the dog looked like he didn't know if he was still dreaming or not. This mom saw a falling book in the TV's reflection. Her reaction is amazing. This guy dug a hole in the sand so his lovely wife could lie down comfortably on her stomach. This bro was so fast he looked like he was floating. This guy broke the record of 7 backflips on a trampoline. But I think I've found him a worthy opponent. Dario Costa became the first man in the world to fly a plane through 2 tunnels and broke several world records in the process. This is one of the most unusual events in the history of aerial acrobatics. In case you didn't know, Mars rovers are huge. I always thought they were tiny, but they are 3 meters tall. Graphical representation of the warping of the disk of the Milky Way precessing. I hope you had fun. Subscribe, leave a like and comment. See you next time.